Hello and what's up everyone, I'm back again with another video tutorial, and today's video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can connect a third-party domain to your Shopify shop. So let's jump into my Shopify shop. This is my Shopify shop. Let me just go back to the main screen, right? Now here I want to connect a third-party domain to this shop, this Shopify shop. So basically how am I gonna do it? So the first thing that we need to do is on the left bottom corner there is the setting menu. Click on it, and after that what you need to do is go to domains. Click on domains, and here you have two options: buy a new domain or connect existing domain. So basically we are going to connect the existing domain that we have bought from a different website. By the way, I've got this one for this tutorial sake from Freenome. This is my domain. I got it for free, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect that to my Shopify shop. So if I click on connect existing domain, it's going to ask me for the domain, right? So I'm just going to copy this one and just paste it here, right, without space, and click next. Now on the next stage it's going to say verify the domain. You click on verify the domain, and voila, we saw an error. You don't need to panic, I'm here to guide you through. So the problem is we need to set the error code and the CNAME. So how to do that? What you need to do is go to your domain provider website. It can be any, it can differ, it depends up to your domain provider, but the settings are the same. So what we need to do is basically go and click on manage the DNS for that domain. For you, the setting might be at a different place depending on your DNS provider, but for mine it was right there. I clicked on it, and you'll get a window similar to this. Colors might differ, but the setting is the same. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click here add more records. Now we have two records here, right? The first is name, the second is type, the third is this TTL, and the fourth is target, right? Now what we're going to do is, if you look here, it says a record. The name is at the rate, it says, and then it says required value is this, and it's an A record, right? Now the thing is, we're going to click here on the domain. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on at the rate. That's going to be the name, right? The type is A, right? And on the target, what is the target supposed to be? Here we got the required value, so we can just copy this, or just click here and copy this and just paste it right here. We got this one filled, right? Now we go on the next one. The next one is CNAME, and the name is www, right? We copy that, we go here, we paste it here, we go here, click on this option and go to CNAME, right? We make a CNAME, and after that, as you can see, we need the required value to be shops.myshopify.com. Copy this, click here, paste it. Now we are done with this. As you can see, we have adjusted the A record and the C record, right? If you go here, as you can see, the A record and the CNAME, right? Now we have done that. Now what we need to do is we need to click on save changes, right? Now it's going to take a bit of a time to show that record added successfully, right? After that, what you need to do is simply go back to your Shopify store, and after that click on verify connection. Now remember, this process of connecting it and setting up the DNS might take up to 48 hours. This is the maximum it can get, by the way, but it can get resolved within a few minutes, depending on your DNS provider. But the maximum amount of time you have to wait is around 48 hours. You click on verify connections. It's going to take a bit of a time. If it's not, it's okay. You can just click a domain, as we know that we have done everything right? So then we click here, and then as you can see, it's like correct connected right here, right? So now the thing is, we will have to wait, and once it's done, this error won't show up, right? This error won't show up no more. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click and select it as primary. So this is how you connect a third-party domain to your Shopify store. If you have any question regarding this, you can go down in the comments section, ask it. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if you found this video interesting, if it helped you, please make sure you like the video, subscribe for more future content just like this one, press the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.